Hello friends, welcome back in digital class of LBS School. My dear friend, in previous chapter we have studied first chapter of 5th standard history. What is history? What is history? History is a science that tells us what happened in the past. Okay, I hope you have learned this definition. What is history? History is a science that tells us what happened in the past. My dear friend, in this particular chapter, I am going to explain you history and the concept of time. Second chapter of 5th standard history. In this chapter, we have to study 4 points. 2.1 division of time and the timeline. Okay, 2.2 measurement of time. Measurement of time and methods of measuring time. 2.3 historical periods and 2.4 scientific methods of measuring time and establishing age. These 4 points we have to discuss in this particular chapter. Okay, so I am going to start first point of this chapter. 2.1 division of time and time. Okay, my dear friend, so listen carefully. Look, there are different methods of reckoning time. Okay, there are different methods. Are you getting me? There are different methods of reckoning time. Reckoning means what? Reckoning means calculate करना. Okay, calculating. There are different methods. बहुत अलग-अलग तरह के क्या है? अलग-अलग तरीके हैं टाइम को रेकन करने के, टाइम को कैलकुलेट करने के. Then time is a continuous. Everybody knows. Are you agree with me or not? Time is a continuous process. Time cannot stop to anyone. Okay, time is a continuous, but for our convenience, I have underlined this word. For our convenience or convenience. Convenience means हमारी सुविधा के. For our convenience, we divide it into periods. What we have divided? We divided time into periods. The method that we use for reckoning time depends on our purpose. Are you getting me? Method. The method that we use for reckoning time depends on our purpose. Okay? हमारा उद्देश्य क्या है? इस पर वो निर्भर करती है. For dividing it and the manner in which we do it. For example, okay, here we have given one example. For example, at sunrise we say it is morning now. है ना? It is morning now. The day has begun. At sunset we say it is evening now, and soon it will be night. At the end of the day, it becomes dark and it is night. Okay, this means that we divide the time into parts. Are you getting me? It means that we divide the time. This means that we divide the day. We divide the day into 2 parts. Are you getting me? We divide the day into 2 parts. One is day and another part is night. We divided day into 2 parts, day and night. Or our earth rotates around its axis. Axis is a imaginary middle line. Okay, our earth rotates around its axis at certain speed. Okay, certain speed. Similarly, it also revolves round the sun. और क्या करती है? और अपने आप के चक्कर तो लगाती ही है, उसके साथ साथ सूरज के भी चक्कर लगाती है. Okay, then similarly it also revolves round the sun. The sun has its own light. है ना? सन की अपना खुद की रोशनी. Okay, सन की अपनी खुद की रोशनी है. We receive light from the sun. हमें जो रोशनी मिलती है वो किससे मिलती है? वी रिसीव लाइट फ्रॉम द सन. However, we see light only daytime. Nights are dark. How does this happen? देखो, दिन में उजाला होता है और रात में अंधेरा होता है. Why? ऐसे क्यों होता है? We have to find out the answer of this question in next video. Thank you. Welcome back in digital class of LBS School. My dear friend, in my previous video, I have explained you. Our Earth rotates around its axis at certain speed. Okay, axis is an imaginary middle line. Our Earth rotates around its axis at a certain speed. Okay, at a certain speed. Similarly, it also revolves around the sun. ये मैंने बताया था. क्या बताया था? कि जो हमारी पृथ्वी है, जो हमारी अर्थ है, ये क्या करती है? अपने खुद के चक्कर लगाती है. उसके साथ साथ वो सूरज के भी चक्कर लगाती है. The sun has its own light. Already I have told you. The sun has its own light. We receive light from the sun. However, we see light only in daytime. Nights are dark. How does this happen? दिन में उजाला होता है, रात में अंधेरा होता है. ऐसा क्यों? Why does this happen? ऐसे कैसे होता है? So now in next part I will explain you. Look now, as the earth rotates around this axis. Okay, as the earth rotates around its axis, that part of its surface, are you getting me? जो हमारी अर्थ रोटेट कर रही है अराउंड इट्स एक्सिस. ओके, अराउंड इट एक्सिस, दैट पार्ट ऑफ इट्स सरफेस, मतलब अर्थ का वो जो हिस्सा है, अर्थ का वो जो हिस्सा है, which turns toward the sun and become bright. जो अर्थ का जो हिस्सा होता है वो सन की तरफ मुड़ जाता है और वो ब्राइट होता है. And the part that moves away from the sun moves into darkness. और जो दूसरा हिस्सा होता है अर्थ का वो अंधेरे में चला जाता है. Okay, are you getting me? Okay. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. कितने लगते हैं अर्थ को? The earth takes 24 hours. अर्थ को 24 आवर्स लगते हैं एक रोटेशन कंप्लीट करने के लिए इट्स ओन एक्सिस. These 24 hours are approximately, ये जो 24 hours है, ये जो 24 घंटे है, divided into 12 hours of daytime and 12 hours of night. Okay? 12 hours of night. A period of time and the following nights together make one day. A period of daytime and the following night together make one day. Okay. Next, 7 days from Monday to Sunday make 1 week. From Monday to Sunday make 1 week. 2 weeks make a fortnight. Fortnight, do you know fortnight? In हिंदी पखवाड़ा, जिसे 15 दिन का समय कहा जाता है, fortnight. 4 weeks make a month and 12 months make a year. In this process, in this manner, we reckon time. Reckon already I have told you in my previous video. Reckon is what? Calculated. We reckon time in bigger and bigger units. 1 year is followed by another, and when 100 years go by, a century completed. When 10th century, that is 1000 years are gone, a millennium. Millennium is equal to 1000 years is completed. Such a method of dividing time is known as unilinear division of time. Okay, my dear friend.